Okay, so today we're doing a reverse sear. It seems like everybody's crazy about it, so we're going to cook one up. So alright, let's get started. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to mix this all together in here. This is soy sauce, lemon juice, try not to drop it in there, oil, orange juice, a splash of water, and then our spices are onion powder, pepper, Montreal steak spice, and a clove of garlic. Alright, now we got the marinade made. We're just going to mix it up a bit. And then we're going to take the steak, flip it a couple times and get it coated. And what we're going to do is we're going to take some paper towel and we're just going to dry this off before we put it in the smoker. And what we're going to do today is, what I want to do is I want to cook this to about medium. So we're going to cook it in the smoker on 225, and medium we want it to about 140. And so 140 done. In the smoker we want to stop about 10% before the 140, so we're going to stop about 125. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the barbecue on. Before that we're going to get it nice and hot up to about 600, and we're going to sear it on either side just for I don't know, maybe 20-30 seconds on either side, and I might even do the sides. And then we're going to let it set, and it should finish up at 140. So just about ready to put this in the smoker. We got this for the barbecue. This is best for the barbecue because it's instant and the barbecue gets very hot. This here we're going to use for the smoker because we're only, the temperature is 225. We want to bring this to 120, below 130. I'd say about 126. And we're going to use one of the meat thermometers. That way we don't have to open the door and we know exactly when it reaches the temperature. So I'm just going to shove this in the thick spot. This will be perfect. Okay, so it's been on for close to half an hour, and the temperature on the tie for is 127.8. So we're going to take it off the smoker and we are going to put it on the grill. So we got the grill at 600. We're just going to sear this really quick, and then we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Alright, let's get this into the smoker. Okay, so we got it out of the smoker, and don't grab that with your fingers, it's hot. Already done it, already burnt my fingers. Pull that out. Oh, so juicy, so juicy. Double check the temperature right quick. Yeah, 128. Let's sear this on the barbecue. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so I took that off the grill fast just because it doesn't take long to turn it into a overdone steak, and that's something we definitely do not want. So let's just check the temperature. Oh, it's at 134 there. 144 there. So it's pretty good. 135. We'll leave that set 5 minutes. We're going to cut that. It's going to be beautiful. Alright, so there you have it. Reverse sear. It took about 35 minutes. It's already done. It's set for 5 minutes. My beautiful daughter Amber here is going to try it with me. So let's cut it. Looks good, don't it?
It does look really good.
Look at the juice. We'll cut it right down the center. Show everybody how it's cooked. First time cutting. Oh, it looks pretty juicy and good. try it. Very good, isn't it?
That's really good.
That's awesome. So try it out. If you watch it this far, hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and we'll do it again with different ones. Different videos. It's good, isn't it?